Okay lads, welcome to the third lesson of M3, and what we're going to be looking at is something called the lowest common multiple. Okay, so the first thing you need to be able to understand is what is a multiple of a number. So we'll talk about that. If you talk about 5, the multiples of 5 will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, etc. So it's to get the multiples of a number, you multiply the number by 1, then by 2, then by 3, then by 4, and the result of those will be the multiples. So the multiples of, say, 3 would be 3, and then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, etc. So they're all multiples. Remember, multiples start with the number itself, and then they go up. Okay, so 5, the first multiple of 5 is 5, and then it goes up by 5 each time. So what you may be asked in M3 is to find the lowest common multiple, between two numbers. So we're going to look at an example of 10 and 12. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to try to work out what the lowest common multiple is between 10 and 12. Common means it's a multiple that is the same multiple for 10 and 12, and it's the lowest one. So it's quite simple to do. Here's what you need to do. First of all, you list the multiples for 10. So I'll list some of them out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and you put a couple of dots. So there's the first few multiples of 10. You list the multiples of 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Oh, I'm going to stop there. The reason why I'm going to stop is 60 appears here and here, so we've got a match. So the answer for the lowest common multiple between 10 and 12 is going to be 60, because it's the lowest multiple that is common to both those two. Okay, now let's look at another example, and let's look at the lowest common multiple between 8 and 15. Okay, so to start off, what we do is we list the multiples of 8 and the multiples of 15. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Okay, 15, 30, no match yet. 45, 60, 75, 90. Still no match, so we'll need to continue to up. 88. Okay, so 90, the next one up is going to be 105, so no match yet. So 88, so that's 96 will be the next one up, and then 96 plus 8 is 104, so still no match. 104, just get my calculator here. Yeah, 104, and then if you add on 8 to that, you're going to get 112. Okay, and another 8 is 120. So let's add on 15 to that, and we end up with 120. So it looks to be, okay, 120 is the lowest common multiple between 8 and 15. So what you need to do is you need to continue to go up your multiples for 8 and 15 until you hit a match between the two. So that is going to be a match. So the lowest common multiple, or LCM, of 8 and 15 is 120. Okay, so that shows you clearly two examples of how to work out the lowest common multiple. So what I'm going to do is set you 4 questions to do for today, and you make sure those are completed by the end of today and submit your answers on Google Classroom to me, and then I'll give you feedback on them. If there's any issues, just drop me a message. Thank you.